Hello and welcome. This is Elizabeth Obasi. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so in this video I'm just going to show you quickly how you can create a mock-up like this with your smartphone. Alright, so let's just get started into the main video. Alright, go to your Photopea. Of course, I'm using my smartphone for this. Just go to your Photopea. Go to your Google Chrome browser rather. Then you type photopea.com. Yes, photopea.com. As soon as you click on it, to bring you to this site, and your interface will just be like this, as exactly as mine. So you go ahead and click on open from computer. You click on open from computer. Now we are going to select the PSD of the particular mockup. I also make this available to you, yes, after this video. Alright, so I'll just go to my gallery and select that particular mockup I want to use. Alright, so this is the mockup itself in my phone. So I'm just going to see there are different variations of this mockup actually. So there are different variations of the mockup. So you just have to choose which is the best you want to use. Right, so let's just choose one of it. Let's just choose one of it. Alright, so let's allow it to load. So let's allow it to load. Still loading. Just have to give it time. This takes alright, so as you can see, our mockup is here already. Now let's click on the layer icon. I believe you know where your layer icon is. This is your layer icon. This particular icon is your layer icon. Right, so let's click on it. Now as you can see, there are different options here. Here you have your master adjustments. We don't have anything to do there for this video. Or in your mockup, yeah, this is where we have the majority of the work to do. Alright, so let's just go back first. Now on the background, BG here means background. So this is it. The background. It tells you. Now let's go back to this. If you don't want to see this dark part, you just want to see the mockup itself, go ahead and close your background. Close your background and also close the eye at the first option. Yes, the freepsdtemplates.com. You close the eye there and also close the eye at the background, the BG. Right, so this is the mockup itself. Now let's go back. Where we are going to do the majority of the work is in the options where we have mockup. Yes, so here is where we have the majority of the work. So we are going to start with the phone by adjusting the color of the phone, the button, and the strap and all of that. So we are going to change the color first. Color of the phone. So you tap on this color that has pink already. Just tap on it, like double tap on it, and allow it to load. Now drag your color picker to any color you want. I'm dragging it to black. I think I want black. Alright, so let's see if it's, yes, affected. So our black has been affected on the design. So let's go ahead and also change the buttons and strip color. So let's click on the pink like twice. Also move your color picker to any color of your choice. So I think I want this for that color. Yeah. Alright. So I can decide to adjust my color. I just want it to be something that will rhyme with my black. So let me try a dark blue, or dark shade of this. Let me try this. Alright, so let's continue. The next thing I want to do is to add my mockups. Here we have mockup 1, mockup 2, mockup 3, mockup 4. So these are the mockups we are going to effect. So let's just go ahead and click on mockup 1. Alright, so this is the background. You click on your layer icon so you can work on it. This is the layer for mockup 1. So we are going to apply mockup 1. Now, before you get to this point, you must have joined your flyers you are going to use. This is what I'm talking about. Alright, so let's go and open and place. Let's go get the side of the flyer we want to apply for this part. Alright, so let's just go get it. Alright, so first of all, you must ensure that your flyers have been arranged in this format. As soon as you click on open and place. As soon as you click on open and place, you just go and select your flyer. You just go and select the flyer. Yes, you must have arranged all your flyers in this format. You must have arranged it in this format. So you can do this in your Pixel lab. Just bring the flyers you want to use. You go to your Pixel lab, you bring them together in this format. So you just check out the size that will give you exactly what you want this way. So I'll just need to adjust this here. Then you click on file and also click on save smart objects. So we're just going to be patient with this smart object updated. So let's actually see what we've done so far. Yeah, this is getting interesting, right? Alright, so let's go ahead for mockup 2. Mockup 2, you just double tap at this place where you have a tiny box beside. Just double tap on it. Double tap on it, so it's going to give us the layer for mockup 2. Alright, so this is it. You click on your layer icon here. Now I'm still going to use, remember, open and place. So I'm still going to use the same flyer I used for my mockup 1. So I'm still going to use the same flyer, but this time around I'm going to adjust the flyer very well. So this is what I mean. So you just have to use the same flyer, then you adjust it this way. Adjust it this way. Go ahead and click on save smart object. Smart object updated. Let's see what we've done so far. Alright, interesting. Alright, so let's move ahead. If you like what you are seeing, go ahead and give this YouTube channel a thumbs up. Yeah, by sharing this video, and also like, subscribe if you are here to subscribe, so you can get amazing video contents from my YouTube channel whenever I post a video. Alright, so let's continue. Now we are working on mockup 3. So I just have to click on, double tap, like I said, double tap, open and place. This time around, I believe you must have been familiar with all of this. Yes. Yeah, so click on the same flyer is what we are using for almost everything. Almost everything. So just click on save smart object. Smart object updated. Let's see what we have done so far. Wow. So we are just left with the last mockup 4. So let's double tap. Wow. Alright, so open and place. Open and place. Click on. Alright, so we are going to add up the 4th mockup. So just double tap on the mockup 4. You just have to have a strong network and phone with a higher RAM capacity to be able to do this. So you must have at least a phone that has like 6 gig RAM or more than that. So it's actually even hanging on my own device. So you can just use somebody's device that has a higher RAM to be able to do it effectively. So all you just need to do is to arrange it properly like every other one we've arranged. Just make sure that you fix it properly. Now still go ahead and click on save smart objects. So let's just give it time. This requires a lot of patience actually. Alright, so let's click on the first one. Alright, so you can see our mockup is done. Like it's done. This is just very beautiful. Honestly, this is awesome. This is amazing. This is awesome. This is amazing. So this is how you can apply your mockup on a phone like this, on a phone screen like this. So if you like this video, please kindly go ahead, click on the subscribe button, and of course share this video to be able to get other creatives who might be interested in videos like this. And don't forget to always stick around to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell so that you get informed by YouTube whenever I drop amazing video content like this. So what do we need to do at this point? I think we are done with the whole processes, and we will need to save this to our phone. So you click on file and click on export as. Now you're going to choose PNG. You can actually choose PNG or choose a JPEG, but I'm just going to choose a PNG. Yeah, just going to choose a PNG. So let's patiently wait for it to load. So like I said, using this app or this site requires you to have a lot of patience, and your phone must be of a higher RAM, like let's say the list of 6 gig RAM, 8 gig, 1632 and all of that. So but if you can find someone within you who has 6 gig RAM device, you can use it to use Photopea, because Photopea is very frustrating. But once you have a good device, you can always find your way around it. Alright, so for this quality, I'm going to increase it to the highest. Yes, because I actually want it to be on the highest quality. Now go ahead and click on save here. Go ahead and click on this beautiful save. Let's go ahead and save our work. So click on save. It will be saved automatically into your device and you're going to be notified. Yes, this is because I've saved it before. So I'm going to click on download again. Alright, so as you can see, we have our notification here that our file has been downloaded. So you can just go to your phone gallery and you see your design, and you use it for whatever design you want to use it for. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe. See you in my next video.